Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
Good afternoon. This book has been with me, as you all know, for a very long time, very, very long time. But finally, it's been adapted beautifully by Karan and Abhishek, and I thank them a lot for finally putting it on the screen. Thank you very much.
No, it's genuinely a dream come true for me to be able to do a film like this. When I read it, I impulsively knew as an actor I would get to do something that nobody else saw in me, and I'm grateful that Chetan wrote this and Sajid Bhai and Karan came together and thought of taking me in this film because I was looking for something like this, and to get this opportunity to play a character like this really excited me, and it looks really nice. I'm seeing it for the first time, genuinely. I've not seen it on the big screen. I've had a blast working on this film. I've made two very, very close friends, Alia and Abhishek. And I get to work with two of the biggest banners in one go, so what more could I ask for as an actor, as an upcoming actor? I think for me, it will always hold a very special place in my heart. I know I signed this film immediately after Ishaq Zade release, so that again holds tremendous value for me, that my first film got me a film like this. It's a very big film. The fact that it's Chetan's bestseller, like he said, he's been loved for this book, and just to be a part of this whole process, I feel very, very happy about it.
I think Alia has a lot to be explored. This is really the tip of the iceberg. I think Highway is really the beginning of a tremendous journey that Alia will embark on as an actor. And I think truly, whether it's Two States or everything she does subsequently, will only add to her grand repertoire of work, I'm hoping. And I hope she lives up to the expectation that has already begun on a positive note.
Obviously, I remember actually when we were here, Karan was very nervous. जब हम लोग stage पे आने वाले थे और बात करने वाले थे, he came out and he was looking like he was going to, you know, whatever. He was so nervous about us being on stage, and I think today me being on stage talking is still, Karan is still nervous. But what are you? No, Karan, yeah.
I was very nervous.
So that परिवर्तन ज़्यादा है नहीं, but as an actor, of course, with each film you learn more. But I think I'm the same person.
No, I was in the beginning, but as you said, I had really liked the book, and I thought it could make into a great film, and so that just drove me forward to make it. That's about it.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.